issued a tornado warning for southeastern Lincoln County, northwestern St. Charles County until 4 p.m. At 3:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Wentzville and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing a tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat west of Flint Hill. The following impacts are expected. Significant house and building damage is possible. Mobile homes will be completely destroyed if hit. Some trees may be uprooted or snapped. Vehicles will likely be thrown by tornadic winds. Locations impacted include Old Monroe. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Lincoln and St. Charles.